So what's up everyone? We have learned a lot about ChatGPT app. So in this video, we will be learning to log out your account from ChatGPT app. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your ChatGPT app and swipe it from left to right, and you have to go to your profile at the right side top and scroll it down. At the last option, you can see logout. Click on it and you have to confirm logout. Click on it, and finally you have been logged out from ChatGPT app. So in this simple way you can log out your account from ChatGPT app. So hope this video will help you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you everyone for showing your love.